it's Kaitlyn. Today you're gonna learn how to make tasty chili from scratch. So first we're gonna start with some fresh Roma tomatoes. You could use canned tomatoes or a canned tomato sauce, but using fresh tomatoes is healthier for you and it tastes a lot better. So what we're gonna do is grab a knife, cut off the tops, and we're gonna slice it in half and then just dice the tomatoes. We've got about 5 pounds of tomatoes here. I'm just gonna finish the rest up and I'll see you in a second. Now that we have chopped all of our tomatoes, we're going to add them to a large saucepan over medium heat. Now we're gonna cook our tomatoes for 30 minutes. They're gonna break down and become our tomato sauce. When it begins to boil, just go ahead and bring it down to a simmer. While that's cooking, we're gonna get started on the rest of our chili. Into a large pot, we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. We're also going to add 2 chopped yellow onions, and we're going to let those cook until translucent. Once our onions have cooked, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic and let that saute for 30 to 60 seconds or until fragrant. Next, let's add 2 pounds of 90% lean ground beef to the pot. Get the onions and garlic mixed in with the beef so it absorbs the flavors as it cooks. For our seasoning, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. I like to start with less salt and then add more to taste later on if it needs it. Once our ground beef has cooked, we're going to add 3 cups of beef broth. You could add a beef bone broth instead for the extra health benefits. Here's where we're going to add some beans. I'm using 31 ounces or 2 cans of red beans. You can use kidney beans, black beans. Feel free to customize it to your preference. Now we're going to add our fresh homemade tomato sauce into the chili and stir everything together. Bring the chili to a simmer and serve warm. Or if you like your chili a little thicker, you could reduce the temperature and let the chili simmer for 1 to 2 hours. You can garnish the chili with your favorite toppings like green onion, cheddar cheese, or sour cream. Enjoy all of the flavor and health benefits from using these fresh ingredients. This recipe makes around 12 to 14 cups of chili, so you'll have plenty to share with family and friends. And there you go! That's how you make homemade chili from scratch. I hope you guys enjoyed making that with me. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Check out more videos over here and let me know in the comments, have you guys ever had homemade chili before? I feel like everybody's had it from the can. I don't know if you've had a homemade before. Let me know down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you so much and I will see you next time.